Looking at a picture again today, very similar to what we experienced on Thursday. We had a lot of clouds, occasional breaks of sun, and we'll do that again, I think, again today. In fact, already if you look outside, you can see maybe a couple of gaps in the clouds, but also in the low portion of the sky and then the distance, certainly plenty of low clouds. We've had some drizzle and mist, and you can expect that again today. Some mist, drizzle, to go with the breaks of sun. So a lot of stuff going on at this point. No thunder. That's the only thing that's really missing for the weather picture that we may see later in the weekend. But right now, overcast in Austin. That's live from our Lewiston auto camera. Here in Rochester, mid-50s, gray skies overhead. And if you look closely, I know the weather patio, I can see little breaks of blue in the sky overhead. So it gives us signs of hope that we may see at least limited doses of sunshine and make for at least a decent day. Temperatures will approach 70. Somewhere we didn't even get yesterday. We didn't quite get to 70. We'll get close today. 55, a fairly mild start to the day. Very light breeze out of the southeast. Air pressure steady. Here on the map, most spots locally 50s to around 60. Winona 59. It's 56 in Osage, Dodge Center 55. From here, we warm up to around 69, maybe 70, not quite 80. We've not done that so far in 2020 officially, but it's possible over the weekend. The average first 80-degree high, May 3rd. This goes back to 1886 with our records. So the average first 80-degree high happens by May 3rd. Last year, in 2019, it was April 21st, a little ahead of schedule, 83 the high on that date. And the latest we've ever gone into a year before reaching that 80-degree high for the first time, June 9th, 1888. That's an old record. I don't think we're going to quite get there, but we're about midway between the average and the record. So a little bit beyond what we normally see, but we still have some time. We're not quite to June yet. We have gray skies right now. We're talking upper 60s to around 70. Next storm system coming in from the west and southwest will bring light sprinkles today and some showers tonight and tomorrow. Severe weather risk well south of us. The latest from the Storm Prediction Center for parts of Missouri and Kansas. That's where the severe weather concerns lie today. For us tomorrow, we're going to have some thunderstorms in the area, but not severe weather. The greater risk well west of us, in the Dakotas and in Nebraska. And what lies ahead for Sunday, a very small chance of severe weather. We're in a marginal risk, at least our western counties around Mason City toward Fairmont. The possibility of large hail and some of those late day storms. We'll be monitoring that throughout the weekend, of course, but at least the very low threat level of severe weather there. But sprinkles possible today. We look ahead at future track. Very sparse, spotty activity, especially confined to the midday hours and afternoon. We go into the evening, things dry out a little bit. That's why I'm thinking late day and early evening. We may see some breaks of sun, a decent end to the work week anyway, or start to the weekend as the case may be for many of us. And the showers to the southwest begin to show up by midnight. They'll spread across the map through tonight and a big portion of Saturday. Sprinkles today, some breaks of sunshine here and there, and then the weekend kind of the same deal. More clouds and sun, but warmer overall. Some showers and thunderstorms at least portions of each day. Next week, it does look sunnier and a little warmer after the holiday weekend. 55 for that morning commute, some drizzle, very light winds and maybe a break in the clouds, but for the most part overcast. Upper 60s to around 70 today, a fairly light southeast breeze around 11 miles per hour. 69 the expected high today, just a degree or two shy of the average, and we'll be close to 60 for overnight lows tonight. Up north, 51 already in International Falls, Bemidji 56. Pretty mild morning up there, and we're mild here as well. Southward, even warmer. Oskaloosa 60, Davenport, Iowa 56. Weather Almanac 49 the typical morning low, so we're above that. 71 the typical high. Sunset 8:37 this evening. Future track looking at sprinkles and drizzle, peaks of sunshine tonight. Clouds gather. Here come those showers after midnight. Showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but not severe weather with this first system. This one will work its way across the map, especially through the mid-afternoon hours tomorrow. A break tomorrow night, and then occasional sun with more storms rolling in at times for a couple of rounds on Sunday. One early, another one late in the day with that next area of low pressure coming through, and that's when we had the best chance of maybe a couple of strong storms late Sunday with a little more humidity. A gusty south breeze, 80 the high, and Monday not quite 80, but some showers and a decent amount of warmth in the area. Next week, beyond that, drier weather with some pretty warm stuff. Upper 70s to low 80s all of next week. 69 today in Rochester, 71 in Charles City, 74 in La Crosse with mostly cloudy skies, maybe a break or two of sunshine and some sprinkles, especially early in the afternoon. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms late, light southeast breeze, 57 tonight. 7-day forecast, off and on showers and thunderstorms to the holiday weekend. Next week, a little more sun, fewer rain chances, and some pretty mild temperatures. So wouldn't you know it, you get past the holiday weekend, it's better already, but this is almost a tradition. It seems like Memorial Day, we never get through it unscathed. We always have something going on.
I hate to